Now let us discuss 52. Among the following, the one that is not a greenhouse gas is. Among the four options, one is not a greenhouse gas. We have to identify that gas. We know that the primary greenhouse gases present around us are carbon dioxide, methane, its formula is CH4, and nitrous oxide, its formula is N2O, and ozone, that means O3, and last one is water vapor. These five are called the primary greenhouse gases present around us. Okay, now let us verify the given options. Option 4, the sulfur dioxide, which is not an primary greenhouse gases according to the given data. So 4 is our correct answer.